What is Azure Function App? Azure Function App is a resource where you deploy all the Azure functions of your single project. You can place multiple Azure functions in a single Azure Function App. All Azure functions in a Azure Function App shares a common configuration file. You can think Azure Function as a web page and Azure Function App as a web project. However, Azure Function App is used to perform small business logic and not to behave as a web project. In this example, FNPOC is the name of Azure Function App. Test 1, 2, 3, 4 are Azure functions. Test 3 Azure function is disabled in this example.